What's the pros of BONOSS titanium with stock conversion on BMW?
Compared with the factory BMW wheel bolts, the titanium with stock conversion looks better in appearance. Aesthetically, they penetrate the wheels, which provides a sporty and aggressive look on BMW.
Meanwhile, if you've ever changed your stock wheel to aftermarket wheels, you'd know that there are different types of lug bolts: conical seat or bowl seat. If you have added wheel spacers to make proper thread engagement, the thread length of the wheel bolts should equal the length of stock bolts plus the thickness of the spacer, which means you need extended wheel bolts. The wheel stock conversion is compatible with both ball and conical seat lug nuts, which is suitable for the most factory or aftermarket wheels. They usually come with longer threaded stems. The lug nut's thread length is compatible to adjust to get proper fastening. 70mm wheel stock conversion allows for the safe use of different thickness wheel spacers below 20mm. You don't have to change to another set of extended wheel bolts. BONOSS Forged Titanium Exposed Wheel Stock Conversion applies forged titanium alloy material. The titanium alloys are light in weight as well as very strong. They feature great fatigue strength and tensile strength, hard and high temperature resistance. BONOSS titanium wheel studs are fully TUV and ISO standard test report certificated, which truly guarantees safety. Each stud conversion is processed hard anodized surface treatment with extraordinarily corrosion resistance ability.
So if you want to give your BMW a better look, BONOSS titanium with stock conversion should be your best choice. If you have any questions about our products, please leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.